Welcome to our tutorial on how to change my AI gender on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Make sure you have updated your Snapchat to its latest version. Now open it. Your camera will open up. Now go to the chat section. After you land to the chat section, at the top you're gonna find this option of My AI. Open the conversation with My AI. After you open it, go to the profile of the AI. Now here you're gonna see this option of customize, tap on it. Tap on the option of avatar. From here you can select the gender. The first one is female and the second one is male. Here I'm gonna choose female. Now from here you will be able to customize the skin tone, hair color, hairstyle, eye color, all the facial features for your AI. Also you will be able to select outfit for your AI. And after you are done with selecting all the facial features, likewise outfit for your AI, you can tap on this option of save given at the top right corner. And now your AI is ready. So this is how you can change your AI gender on Snapchat. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.